How to make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an increasingly lucrative digital business model that offers individuals and businesses an opportunity to generate income online. With the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, affiliate marketing has evolved into a powerful and sophisticated strategy for maximizing earnings. In this extensive guide, we will navigate through the intricacies of affiliate marketing and explore how the strategic implementation of AI can supercharge your affiliate marketing campaigns, propelling you towards unparalleled success. Understanding affiliate marketing. At its core, affiliate marketing operates on a simple premise. It is a performance-based marketing model where individuals, known as affiliates or publishers, collaborate with businesses to promote their products or services to a wider audience. In return, affiliates earn a commission for each sale, lead, or desired action that results from their marketing efforts. This symbiotic relationship benefits both affiliates, who earn money through commissions, and businesses, which expand their reach and increase revenue. The role of AI in affiliate marketing. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a multidisciplinary field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent systems capable of emulating human-like cognitive functions, such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. In the context of affiliate marketing, AI plays a transformative role, revolutionizing various aspects of the industry to enhance performance and profitability. Data analysis. One of the primary ways AI empowers affiliate marketers is through advanced data analysis. AI algorithms can ingest, process, and interpret massive datasets with unparalleled efficiency and precision. This capability allows affiliates to gain profound insights into consumer behavior, market trends, and competitor strategies. By examining historical data, AI can identify emerging trends and patterns, enabling affiliates to make informed decisions about which products or services to promote. These data-driven insights not only streamline campaign planning but also enhance targeting, ensuring that promotional efforts are directed towards the most receptive audiences. Personalized marketing. AI-driven personalization is a game-changer in affiliate marketing. Through the analysis of user behavior, preferences, and demographics, AI can create highly tailored marketing campaigns. This personalization increases the likelihood of conversions, as it presents potential customers with products or services that align closely with their interests and needs. For instance, an AI-powered affiliate marketer can use data analytics to identify users who have shown a preference for eco-friendly products. By leveraging this information, they can tailor their marketing content to highlight environmentally friendly offerings from partner businesses. This personalized approach resonates with the target audience, increasing the likelihood of a successful conversion. Predictive analytics. AI's predictive analytics capabilities enable affiliate marketers to anticipate future trends and consumer behavior with remarkable accuracy. By analyzing historical data, AI algorithms can identify patterns and forecast market fluctuations, enabling affiliates to adjust their strategies accordingly. For example, during holiday seasons, AI can predict surges in demand for specific products or services. Armed with this foresight, affiliate marketers can proactively align their promotional efforts with anticipated trends, ensuring they capture a significant share of the market and maximize their earnings during peak seasons. Content creation. AI-powered content generation is a burgeoning field within affiliate marketing. AI-driven tools can produce high-quality, engaging content at scale, saving affiliates valuable time and resources. These tools employ natural language processing (NLP) techniques to generate product descriptions, blog posts, reviews, and even video scripts. By automating content creation, affiliates can maintain a consistent and robust online presence, which is crucial for attracting and retaining an audience. Moreover, AI-generated content can be optimized for search engines, enhancing its visibility and driving organic traffic to affiliate websites. SEO optimization. Search engine optimization (SEO) is a cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing. AI can revolutionize SEO strategies by conducting in-depth keyword research, analyzing competition, and recommending on-page and off-page optimization techniques. AI-powered SEO tools can identify high-converting keywords and suggest content strategies to improve website rankings in search engine results. This translates into increased organic traffic, higher click-through rates, and more conversions, ultimately boosting affiliate earnings. Ad campaign management. AI is redefining the way affiliate marketers manage ad campaigns. Machine learning algorithms can optimize advertising budgets by automatically adjusting bids, targeting parameters, and ad creatives in real time. This ensures that ads are displayed to the most relevant audiences, minimizing wasted ad spend. Additionally, AI can identify underperforming ad placements and channels, allowing affiliates to allocate resources more effectively. This data-driven approach maximizes the return on investment (ROI) for affiliate marketing campaigns, leading to higher commissions and profitability. Fraud prevention. In the affiliate marketing ecosystem, fraud is a significant concern. Unscrupulous affiliates may engage in click fraud or cookie stuffing to artificially inflate their earnings. AI-powered fraud detection systems can identify irregular patterns in user behavior, such as an excessive number of clicks from the same IP address or device. By flagging potentially fraudulent activities, AI helps businesses maintain the integrity of their affiliate programs, ensuring that commissions are earned legitimately. This fosters trust between affiliates and merchants, leading to long-term partnerships and sustained revenue streams. Email marketing automation. Email marketing remains a potent tool in affiliate marketing, and AI can enhance its effectiveness. AI-driven email marketing platforms can segment subscriber lists based on user behavior and preferences, allowing affiliates to send highly targeted and personalized email campaigns. Moreover, AI can optimize email delivery times to maximize open rates and conversions. By analyzing historical engagement data, AI algorithms can determine the optimal times to send emails to different segments of the audience, ensuring that promotional messages reach recipients when they are most likely to engage with them. Chatbots and customer support. AI-powered chatbots are invaluable for affiliate marketers seeking to provide exceptional customer support. These chatbots can answer common queries, offer product recommendations, and guide users through the purchase process, all in real time. Efficient customer support not only enhances the user experience, but also increases the likelihood of conversions. When users receive timely and relevant assistance, they're more likely to complete their purchases, resulting in higher commissions for affiliates. Performance tracking and reporting. AI simplifies the complex task of performance tracking and reporting in affiliate marketing. AI-driven analytics platforms can provide real-time insights into campaign performance, including click-through rates, conversion rates, revenue generated, and more. Affiliates can leverage these insights to identify high-performing strategies and optimize low-performing ones. The ability to make data-driven decisions is instrumental in continually improving campaign effectiveness and maximizing earnings. Incorporating AI into your affiliate marketing strategy is no longer an option, but a necessity in today's digital landscape. AI empowers affiliates to gain a competitive edge by harnessing the power of data analysis, personalized marketing, predictive analytics, content creation, SEO optimization, ad campaign management, fraud prevention, email marketing automation, chatbots, and performance tracking. By embracing AI, affiliate marketers can unlock new levels of profitability and success, ensuring their place in the ever-evolving world of affiliate marketing. As technology continues to advance, those who adapt and embrace AI will lead the way in affiliate marketing, driving higher commissions and realizing their full earning potential. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.